Good afternoon everyone, welcome back to the channel. We need to talk today about Superbike Factory and my trip down there, the Macclesfield showroom. I went down there looking for another bike for the channel, but also one for long distance riding that was going to be very comfortable. I bought one which I thought would have fit that bill. And that bike, as you can see, was the Suzuki 800 Intruder. Unfortunately, once I got hold of the bike, I found two faults. One minor, one major. The minor fault was with the ignition barrel. It really needed replacing, but that's an easy job to do and it's a pretty cheap part. The major problem, however, I found when I first rode the bike on the first day without rain that we had, which was a couple of days after buying it, was that it kept slipping out of gear and on occasion clunking itself right back in again. Now I needn't tell you this is dangerous, and it is indicative of very worn shifter or selector forks if you prefer. I got in touch with customer service at Superbike Factory, and sure enough they were fine. They came and picked the bike up, said it would take them 48 hours to have a look at the bike and confirm the faults. Well, I've always been one for face to face, because when you're face to face they have nowhere to run. Over the phone they can just fob you off all the time. So the next afternoon I had a drive down to Superbike Factory again, and I eventually spoke to the person I had been conversing with by email from customer service. He told me that the workshop had looked at the bike and had it for a ride, and they couldn't find any fault with it whatsoever. It was despite the fact that I had furnished them with a video showing the fault with the ignition barrel, and they still said there was nothing wrong with it. Okay. They changed their tune, however, when they found out that I was a mechanic in the army for a while and I knew what I was talking about. And after a little more haggling, they agreed to refund my money and take the bike back. As a gesture of goodwill, as I wanted another bike, I said I would spend that money and get a replacement bike from them. Then happiness all around. We'll get to the bike I bought in a short while. But here, as you can see, this picture was saved today. They have put that exact same Intruder straight back onto the showroom floor to sell to some other hapless customer. One who may not know anything about mechanics and not much about motorcycles in themselves, and who would end up with a faulty machine that in my mind is dangerous. They haven't had time to repair it, as a problem like that needs a full bottom end strip down and rebuild, and that's assuming there's nothing wrong with the actual gears themselves. So if you are down at Superbike Factory looking for another bike, and you see this one on the showroom floor, avoid it at all costs. You would regret that purchase. Okay, so what did I replace it with? Well, this is the Triumph America 865 LT version. It's the sister bike to the 865 Speedmaster. A beautiful machine with what is normally a bulletproof engine. I had it out on a short ride today just to make sure everything was going alright, everything was kosher after my experience with Superbike Factory and after what they have done with that Intruder. Fortunately, the bike seems to be in good order, but I'll only know that once I get it into the hands of Triumph themselves and let them do a complete once over and check on it. The closest Triumph dealership to me is Yule's in Blackburn, so I will be arranging to take the bike into there, let them give it another full service, even though it had one a few months ago according to its book. But they can also give it a complete check over and let me know if anything's wrong with it. And believe me, if they find anything that is wrong, Superbike Factory will be getting another call. But for now, have a little ride. Sorry about the wind noise, but I didn't really prepare the camera or anything. Just off we went and had a ride. Keep the rubber on the road, people.